Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation the name of this Italian luxury fashion house founded in Milan, Italy in 1975. It designs, manufactures, distributes and retails haute couture, ready-to-wear, leather goods, shoes, watches, jewelry, accessories, eyewear, cosmetics and home interiors. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italy, the Italians would say it as Armani. You do want to stress on the ma syllable in the middle, the second syllable, Armani, but it'd be fine in English to say it as Armani, Armani, or in Italian, Armani. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of all of the top luxury houses and fashion design brands whose pronunciations aren't exactly obvious from Italy, France and beyond. I'll see you there to learn more.